First step, yan. First is check the order block. Ano ba sinasabi ng order block dito? Buy ang gold. May buy area. So, coincide na malakas na dalawang buy ka. Order block. Sabi ng order block, buy. Okay, so for today, I'm gonna look for a buy opportunity. Step number 2. Okay, look for the indicator on the 15-minute time frame. Kahit di ka marunong mag-technical analysis. Okay, buy, look for green arrows. Number 3, if the green arrow is already at the bar area, yung shaded bar. Okay, shaded bar na yon. Wait for the green bar areas. 15-minute time frame yan, ha. Once it's already at the 15-minute time frame, punta ka nga sa 5-minute time frame. Lahat yan, buy, wait, then bar areas, green arrow. So at least you have support and resistance, you have structure, you have algorithm in place, and then wait for this to appear on the 5-minute. So yung conviction mo, lahat on na buy. Lumakas eh. May order block ka ng buy, check. 15-minute time frame, nasa bar ba siya? Tapos look for a green arrow. Okay? 15-minute yan, ha. So may 3 kandilang tapos na sa 5-minute. May 5-minute na green na. Okay, then you're gonna scalp on the 5 minutes. You're gonna look for green arrows na nasa bar din. So that being said, lalakas yung conviction mo. Katulad niyan, may sell na. So dapat yung binili mo dito, binenta mo na dyan. Meron ka na dyan supposedly mga 10 pips na. Diba? If you bought here. So from that green arrow appearing, 153.35 to 43, may 10 pips ka na kagad doon. O wait ka ulit. Punta dito. Okay? May lalabas na green arrow. Bili ka. Huwag mo na lang i-counter trend. Okay? Kasi madami naman yan. Daming arrows yun. So since nagsa-sideways naman siya ngayon at wala siyang galaw, edi sideways play ka din. Diba? Dito ka lang maglalaro. Okay? Hintay mo siya pumunta dyan. Hintay ka ng green arrow. Then pasok ka. Pag lumabas yung red, out ka na. Kasi it's indicating a sell.